Alright guys, so it's October and you've been asking me to do a Halloween video, and as you know, I've expressed on the live show, I don't mind doing a Halloween video, but most Halloween videos are dessert type. So I saw this recipe and it kind of looked like witch's hair with maggots. To me it did, so we're going to be making witch's hair with maggots. Come in close and I'll explain what's playing what role in the dish, alright? And it should be absolutely delicious. So playing the role of witch's hair, we're using black pasta. This is a squid ink pasta. If you've never had squid ink pasta, this is amazing. I've had it once in Florida. It's a delicacy. It's amazing. It tastes like you made pasta with squid. So the squid ink makes it black, and that's the witch's hair, okay? Now for the maggots, we're using small shrimp. Okay, we're gonna cook those up. And then everything else is wine, flour, grated Parmesan, and shaved Parmesan. And if I feel like it, I know maggots like cherry tomatoes, so I might throw a few grape tomatoes in there they could snack on. All right, we got butter, lemon, parsley, red pepper flakes, and two things of heavy cream. This is going to be a creamy white wine sauce. I'm not sure how to sub out the wine. You're gonna have to be creative on that part. You could probably figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna cook the pasta in boiling water like you normally do. Okay, same way you would do regular pasta. And remember, you wanna gently, so you don't break the pasta, gently as it softens, stir it in. Make sure you keep stirring it so it don't stick together. You ready? Look at that, look how black that is. Tammy wants the double batch, so we had to order this through Amazon. You may not find this pasta at the local store. And what I do is, my mom always told me about this, spread it out like this. Okay, and gently start pushing it in. Once it's all pushed in and soft, then you start stirring it. There you go. Be real careful, don't burn yourself, okay? And just keep giving it a press. As it heats up, it'll soften it. It'll let you put more pasta in. This prevents it from breaking. All right, guys, grab another pan while your pasta's cooking. Go ahead and start another flame under another pan. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, got a flame. All right. And we're gonna melt a little butter in this pan. And then we're gonna heat up all the maggots, all right? Okay, guys, we just drained the pasta. We got our pan here. Throw some butter in there. We're going to throw the pasta right on top of it. And we're going to mix it in carefully because the pasta's already done. Here's where the rules change up a little bit. If you have raw shrimp, then you're going to want to cook it in this. We got butter melted, okay? If you have frozen shrimp, you're going to want to defrost it and then warm it up. If you have defrosted cooked shrimp, then just warm it up. And today we have frozen. They're already pre-cooked, but they're frozen. And we're doing a double batch of maggots. All right, guys, these maggots look pretty good, so I'm gonna scoop them out. They're in their butter right now, been cooking, and they're good. They're all heated up, and we're gonna take them and put them off to the side, okay? Okay, I got a clean pan melting new butter for the next step. As first, we're gonna dump in the shallots in the butter. And we're gonna dump in the garlic. Get that all sauteed in there. And don't worry if you're getting a little browning on the spices. Just fills the whole kitchen up with smell. Okay, we're going to sprinkle in our flour now. We got a little browning on it. cooked out for about a minute. Get some of that flour brown. Okay, then you're gonna put the wine in. That'll deglaze the pan. You want to cook that down a little bit. Let that simmer for a bit and reduce that wine. Alright, this is the part of the film where you get to put everything in. I'm pretty excited about it. That's my favorite part of any recipe, where you can throw everything in. So we've reduced that a little bit. First thing we're going to do, put in our lemon zest. We'll mix that in a little bit. Put in our cheese. I'm putting this in first so it'll have a little bit of a melting effect, so we don't not get it melted. Put in the parsley. Put in the red pepper flakes. Stir that in real quick. Everything looks all integrated and everything. Now we put in the cream. This is when it all comes together. This is beautiful. Get that all mixed in. Once it's all combined, it should be beautiful. Look at that. We're going to cook that down a little bit till it reduces. It's time to put our seafood back in because it's cooled off a little bit, so we need it to get warmed up while the sauce is kind of reducing a little bit. So we're going to mix that all together. Oh my God, my mouth's watering. This is the best Halloween dish I've ever made. Beautiful. Alright guys, let's put it all together now. You ready? We've done a lot of work. Grab a big spoonful of shrimp and sauce. Slowly place it over here. One more time. There we go. Got those maggots in there. Looking good. And by the way, I picked up some shaved maggots too. So we're going to put that on top. We're going to crumble that up. I like my cheese crumbled. Just a little bit more. And then, just in case they're bored and hungry, maggots like grape tomatoes. And that's it. And that is witch's hair with maggots right there. Hey guys, before I dive into this and try it out, I just want to wish you guys a happy Halloween. And remember, nobody can cancel your Halloween. It is what you make it. So if you have movie night, or you go to a party, or the kids go around and you got candy, that's Halloween. So don't let anybody ruin your holiday. Enjoy this dish if you make it. All right, the pasta is from Amazon. You're probably gonna have to go through Amazon to get the pasta. I'll have a link down below. Now, what's better than wine and cheese, huh? That kind of goes together. So let's give it a try. Oh, it's so hot. That's so hot. Wow. I would give you recommendations after I try it. You gotta mix it up first. That creamy sauce needs to be on every noodle. It's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that sauce on there. Really? You know I'm not doing that. I love you guys. Happy Halloween.